Let me be your getaway. Feel like.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Yanni Unique TV. My name is Yanni. You can call me Unique, either one. So today we are going to do an unboxing. I just recently ordered some hair from DSOARHAIR. And we're just gonna do an unboxing so you guys can see what it looks like freshly out the box. This is the box it came in. It just says DSOARHAIR. Back up so you can see it. And yeah, and then on the back it has like instructions on how to wash your hair. I think we all know how to wash weave. Okay, so let's get to it. So the first thing that they do give a free gift when you order from them. I ordered the loose deep hair in the inches 20, 22, 24, and 26, and then I had a 20-inch closer because I'm gonna make a wig out of it. So yeah, that's why I wanted a closure. So they do give you free gifts. They give me a bonnet. Everybody needs a bonnet, silver bonnet, for free. And then they also give you lashes for free. These are just like cute little basic lashes. Nothing fancy, but you know, they're still wearable. They're still cute. So when you first open the box, each hair is individually wrapped in their own little baggie with their tag and their size at the top. So let's start with the closure. So this is the closure. This is the 20-inch closer. This is how it looks freshly in the package. And when you open it, this is how it looks. So this is the loose deep. So if you had deep wave hair, it's kind of like deep wave, but it's just a little bit looser than deep wave. So I had deep wave already, but I wanted to try something new. So that's why I tried this. So this is what it looks like. It feels really good, actually. It doesn't have a really bad, it just smells like hair. It doesn't smell really bad. It just smells like hair, but I always wash my weave before I put it in, so make sure you wash your weave. But yeah, this is a 20-inch closure, and I'm gonna start with the longest inches because I used to get 28, but all they had on the site was 26 as their longest, so I was like, whatever, I'll just get 26. So this is the 26-inch. I'm gonna show you how long it is when it's pulled out. This is 26, and that's how long it is. So it's not like super long, but it's not super short either. And I gotta start like at the back because this is where the longest inch is gonna be. So yeah, it looks like that. It's really good. Really, it feels really good, and it looks really good too. So I'm excited to put it in and see how it looks. And you always gotta remember, like with curly hair, it's not gonna look long until you put it in, and then it kind of stretches out a little bit and goes to like the natural, you know, texture of what it's supposed to be. But yeah, this is what it looks like. This is the loose deep, and then I'm just gonna show you the shortest length, which is a 20. I'll show you how the 20 looks. This is a 20. Everyone is in their individual plastic bag, like I said. And this is the 20-inch. So, like I said, feels the same. Take that off. And it's a little bit shorter, so this one's gonna be going on the top. But that looks really good. Wow, I like it. I can't wait to make my wig out of it. That pattern, oh my God. That pattern is everything. Yeah, this is super cute. Super, 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 super cute. This is the, I think this is the Brazilian, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, this is the Brazilian. But yeah, this is, no, this is the Peruvian, sorry. Peruvian, this is the Peruvian. My bad, this is the Peruvian, so yeah. DSOARHAIR, if you guys wanna order, I'll put the description in the description box below so you can see how much it costs and all the different inches and stuff like that. They do have a sale right now. I did get this on sale, and they do have a sale still going on right now. So if you want to order it, you can go ahead and use the information that I post in the description box to order this hair and make sure you get that sale, because this is some really good hair. Okay, so I'm gonna make this into a wig, and then I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like when I make it into a wig. I got 4 bundles, so this is gonna be pretty full. You know, it's gonna be a pretty full wig. So pretty. So I'm gonna make this into a wig, and then I will come back and show you guys my final results. Listen, I'm not a professional hairstylist, so I didn't want to like make the wig on camera so that, you know, if I mess up, y'all gonna be like, what is she doing? I know how to do my own hair, and that's it. So I'm gonna make this into a wig, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys how it looks, how the finished product looks, how it flows, what I feel about it, what I think about it. If there's any shedding, I'll let you know. So stay tuned for that, okay? And this is the final product. Oh my god, guys, I really love this hair. Like, this hair, like, just look at it. Oh my god, this is so good. It looks so nice. I made a wig. This is a closure, like I said before, and I'm just so pleased with the results. Like, it looks so good. Let me show you the back. There's no shedding. Like, I only got like maybe like this much shedding, and it's because, you know, like with curly hair, you gotta like really like form the curls, you know, like really do it up a little bit. So that's what I was doing when I was making the wig, and I only got like this much shedding. Like, nothing to complain about or anything, but this hair looks really good. Once again, this is the loose deep pattern, and I'm pleased. I am like really pleased with this. This is 4 bundles. The longest was a 26, and this is how far it goes. You can see, yeah. So I have a long neck, so that's why like long inches don't look as long on me. But for 26, this practically goes down to my butt. So I mean, if you're thinking about getting this, you know, you should, because this hair, I am pleased with the hair. I'm pleased with the curls. I thought it was gonna be a little bit looser, but this kind of looks like deep wave a little bit, but it's not though. I think deep wave is just a little bit tighter, but I'm really pleased with this hair. This is my summer wig, y'all. My summer hair. If summer ain't canceled, I'll be rocking this rocking this all summer. But yeah, I'm gonna put the description down below, so if you guys want to purchase, you can. I did reach out to the company, and they are having a sale. I'll put all the information in the box so that you can purchase this hair, because this hair is like, it's bomb. I really love it. I really love it. Really love it. So yeah, this is it. again, this is the Loose Deep Hair. If you want to purchase it, go ahead and click that the link in the description box to go to the website so that you can purchase this hair. This hair is really, really nice. They did not pay me to say this, just letting you guys know that they did not pay me to say this, but I just wanted to give my honest review on it. If you're thinking about purchasing curly hair, it's not that expensive. It's for a good price. So if you're thinking about purchasing, the ends look really good, really good. So if you're thinking about purchasing, I would say this is a good company to purchase from. Very easy to maintain. All I did was put some mousse in it. I put some mousse in it and just some water, and it does take heat well. I use the straightening comb at the top to kind of flatten out my top a little bit, so it does take heat really well. You don't have nothing to worry about with this hair. I'm going to come back maybe like in a couple weeks and do, like, you know, as I'm wearing it, and see how it looks and how it feels. If it changes its texture or anything, I'll let you guys know. But for the first install, I think this is really, really good. So anyways, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Once again, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and show me some love. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get these subscriptions up, guys. Like, help a sister out, okay? Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.